Outside.
Hi folks, Survival Ridge here. Out with Andrew.
Got a bushcraft.
And his son Sam. Sam in black, would hardly recognise him. Yeah, solo bushcraft.
Hello.
We're in a ring fort in County Cork.
Ancient ring fort.
Very ancient.
About 1500 years old or more.
So what we have here is the sewer terrain.
Something about 20 tunnel.
This would have been a storage area, somewhere to hide out. This would have probably been collapsed where it stood now. ATAX camo. And there is actually a small cavern in there. Hey! Crap camera work, sorry folks. I'm attached to it, you see. Right, flashlight. Got your flashlight handy? I'll put mine in my pocket and can't find it.
Give us the camera, I'll videotape the rest.
No, it's alright. Find the fucking... Here it is. Hi. So, flashlight. Can you see that? Hewn walls. Nicely built. Nice and dry in there. And it goes up that way. Oh, tactical bag. I love my 1911. I am Zert. So you can see I walk the outer perimeter a bit, I suppose. Oh hey! Another part of the sewer terrain.
We should touch there. Come down in here.
Yeah.
Go ahead. This is your part.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is it. We're sitting in it. See, look.
Yeah.
Do you know what this is? This is the room itself. See this big circle here, look?
Yeah.
This is the room itself.
What do you mean the room? Where it stays?
You can see this. Look up and down to see the roof, look.
Yeah.
You see it on the camera?
Saw it on that one in the camera.
Looks like it's on there.
It's very good, isn't it?
This is only just collapsed. Like it's going there. This is only just collapsed.
Well, it's collapsed over the last 50 years or something, maybe. And we're up. So here's the outer ring. It's quite a big force, actually.
Hey.
Yo!
Go outside and see the big ring.
Yeah.
Stand up beside it.
It's been quite a hike here. Oh yeah. Oh, there is a very deep bank. Very deep. In fact, I'll go in it. Oh yeah. Defensive. Should have got my breath back before I started videoing, shouldn't I? Wow. Quite a structure. I must come camping here. As you can see, it's quite a high embankment. That would have been a lot higher in the days it was built. This would have been a lot deeper. Often there would have been an entrance into this, and then to get into the ring fort you would have had to travel along here from the first entrance and come all the way here, all the way through and into the fort, so that all the way along you could be attacked if you were an enemy. Sometimes the triple rings, you know, the 3 circuits of the ring fort to get in, all the time under attack. Unless you try and breach the walls. Hell's teeth.
Steep enough, is it inside there?
Very steep enough.
That was always round like. Good.
Yeah, most impressed.
See that tree there, look? It only came up today, or just today, like.
Right.
So what happened here in front of us? And I've been up here a few times and I've never seen that before.
Really?
Yeah, that's all new. This is all new. That was dropped down, like.
Oh.
This was never here before. This is literally, that is the sun comes into the room underneath, and that's the tunnel into it. And usually you'd have a house up on top of it.
Right, yeah, absolutely. A roundhouse or something.
All the stuff is dropped down inside. The trees dropped down. That thing's flat.
Wow.
Let's get your more powerful thought.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's bone dry inside there.
Yeah.
Which go first?
No, just is that in your bag, the Phoenix?
It is, yeah. Bring the bag. Wow. Quite a place then, eh, folks?
Don't forget, stay prepared.
Like I do. Ah. Grab the back, grab the yoke handle. I'm in Irish Army Gore-Tex. Bottom one, yeah, big main compartment. Big main compartment. Right at the bottom. Phoenix, 280 lumens. And I'll film Sam. Put it on its most powerful, hold it down.
Whoa.
Can you go in?
Not really, no.
No.
There's some glass on there though. Looks like really old glass bottles, look.
Oh yeah.
Glass bottle of beer.
It's like inside the pig.
Yeah, somebody's been chucking glass.
It's very dry.
It's a very small cavern. As you say, it's possibly just part of.
You can see the vaulted ceiling. See the walls, the way they
Yeah, they collapse.
Yeah.
You're actually sitting on top of a roof like that.
No, but that's the bottles and they look pretty old, so.
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of interesting, isn't it?
Make a proper stash, wouldn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Apart from people who probably come here and do what we're doing.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Oh. Wow. Very interesting. I do love ring forts. You're going to get past me?
I say I'll go in there, but like, there's some trouble getting back out.
Who's back there? Who's room? Oh yeah, see like a room carved up.
Yeah. The other room is much bigger, the first one we looked in.
That's Captain Tunnel though.
You could go in there and it's very dry in the other one. Just get wet getting in it.
We can make it like that.
It's curves, you can see curves around it, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, brilliant. Cheers. So, one-handed is not fun. Up we get. So YouTube, a big old ring fort in County Cork.
Ireland.
Republic.
Yeah, it's Ireland.
Good stuff, eh? So we're going to carry on with our adventures. There's 2 more ring forts, but I don't know if we can find them or not.
Until the next time we meet.
That's some tactical over in America. Okay then, people. And don't forget, when you're out and about, to stay prepared.